Now, once again, good morning, dear student. Now, today we are discussing a very important topic of our this chapter, atoms and molecules. That is a mole concept. As you know that the student think that this mole concept is a very tough concept, but क्योंकि है ना नॉर्मली क्या है ना क्लासों में बड़ी से इस पर ज़्यादा फोकस करके ना स्टूडेंट को बताया जाता है कि ये बहुत ही टिपिकल और यू कैन से दैट हार्ड टॉपिक है, बट नाउ ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल टॉपिक. So now we are going to start or we are discussing a study about the mole concept. As you know that generally we all are familiar that when we are talking about something in a dozen. Suppose that if we are, I am saying that please go to market and bring a 1 dozen banana for me. So it already understood that that 1 dozen means how many pieces there? There are the 12 pieces of a banana. Means 12 pieces in a what? 1 dozen. So that number is already understood. That is a fixed. That number is a fixed. Suppose that if I am saying that one gross, that is equal to 144 number of that particles. I am saying that one pair. So one pair, that is already understood that 2 piece. Okay. So this mole concept is about what? It's about the pure number. It's a group of a particular number of any substance. This number is experimentally proved by the scientist, by the calculation or experimentally proved. Then they give some particular fixed number, and that number is known as what? Avogadro number. So suppose that if we are talking about the mole, so 1 mole means what? The 1 mole, if we are talking about the 1 mole of hydrogen or 1 mole of oxygen, so that 1 mole of oxygen or 1 mole of hydrogen that contain the fixed amount of a number, and that number is equal to Avogadro number or Avogadro constant, and that is equal to what? 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. So what is mole concept? Mole concept means a group of 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 particles. Means if we say that 1 mole of anything, 1 mole of any substance, 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of carbon, 1 mole of oxygen, 1 mole of nitrogen, so that contain what? That gives idea about what a fixed number, or about the fixed number of atoms, fixed number of molecules or ions. Suppose that I am saying that 1 mole of nitrogen, so that nitrogen contains what? That nitrogen contains exactly the equal number of particles, that is equal to the Avogadro number, and that Avogadro number is a constant. That value is what? 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. This number is known as what? Avogadro constant. Why it is? Because it experimentally proved by the Amedeo Avogadro. So for the honor of honor of scientist or Avogadros, this number is known as what? Avogadro number. So a group of means this number, this all particles, that particles may be in the form of atoms, molecules or ions. Suppose that I am saying that 1 mole of what? Carbon. So 1 mole of carbon element or carbon atom, so that contains how many particles? That contains equal to this number. I am saying that 1 mole of carbon dioxide. So how many numbers of carbon dioxide atoms or molecules? That carbon dioxide 1 molecule consists this number of a molecule. This number of a molecule. So a group of 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles, maybe atoms, molecules or ions of a substance is called a mole of that substance. Suppose that I am saying that 1 mole of nitrogen, so that nitrogen, that's 1 mole of nitrogen means that N2. It's 1 mole. So that 1 mole of nitrogen, this content of what? 1 mole of nitrogen molecules is content equal to this number. Means 1 मोल नाइट्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल्स में इतने क्या होंगे, एटम्स होंगे. This presence in the N2. Suppose that if I am saying that 1 mole of sodium chloride. So 1 mole of sodium chloride means how many numbers of molecules of sodium chloride in that compound. एक उस सोडियम क्लोराइड कंपाउंड में कितने नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स होंगे, दैट इज इक्वल टू वाटर एवोगाड्रो नंबर, दैट इज अ फिक्स. सो 1 मोल ऑफ एटम्स, suppose that 1 mole of atoms of any substance, so that always equal to water Avogadro number, and that is a constant, that is fixed. If we are talking the 1 mole of molecules of oxygen, if 1 mole of atoms, that is equal to number of atoms. If we are talking about the 1 mole of any molecules of any substance, suppose we are talking about the water molecules, hydrogen molecules, helium molecules, oxygen molecules, so that equal to water, so that 1 mole of molecules is equal to how many numbers of moles, that equal to this number or Avogadro number, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. It's very we are taking one more example. Suppose that in a bank employers, when they are counting the coins, different dominoes of the different coins, so they are taking by the counter, because there are too much large number of coins is there, so that is not possible for them to count each one, है ना. So they are taking water, generally they are weighing the amount of coins, and they know that the particular wave of particular domino of coins. Okay, so they can calculate the number of coins in a 1 kg or like that. Means if 1 kg they are taking the coins of 1 rupees, so that number is a fixed equal to that one maybe 40 or 50 or 60. तो उनको क्या ना पता होता है कि यदि 1 kg वो 5 रुपीज़ के कॉइन्स या 2 रुपीज़ के कॉइन्स लेंगे, तो उनकी जो क्वांटिटी है दैट इक्वल दैट फिक्स्ड, मीन्स मे बी 50 or 60 or that is just like we see in the case of 1 dozen banana. So 1 dozen means what, 12 piece of है ना. So same thing happening here. This 1 mole concept gives us what, this gives idea about the one pure particular number that is experimentally proved by the scientists. So in same way, if the scientists are talking about this 1 mole, so 1 mole of any substance, any chemical, it means what, that number of particles or number of atoms or number of molecules are fixed in that 1 mole, and that equal to what, Avogadro number. Suppose a scientist, if scientists are talking about the 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of carbon, 1 mole of oxygen, so that 1 mole of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, that contains how many numbers of atoms or molecules or particles or ions, that is equal to this number, and this number is known as Avogadro constant. It's a fixed value. Mole of atoms. 1 mole of atoms of an element has a mass equal to the gram atomic mass of an element. If we are talking about, suppose that as we know that if I am saying that the mass of a hydrogen atom. So mass of hydrogen atom is what, 1 unit. 1 unit means 1 atomic mass unit or unified mass of one hydrogen atom is water, that is equal to water 1 unit. But if I am saying that the mass of 1 mole of hydrogen, so that equal to water, that equal to gram atomic mass, so that is equal to 1 gram. Means this is called water unified mass, and this is called water gram atomic mass. That is in a short, we can say that GAM, gram atomic mass. So the 1 mole of atoms of an element, suppose that I am saying that 1 mole of hydrogen, so 1 mole of hydrogen, it means what, how much mass it have, it consists of a gram atomic mass, or means if I am saying that 1 mole of nitrogen, so it already understood that how much mass of nitrogen is there, that is what a gram atomic mass, and how much gram atomic mass of nitrogen, that is a 14 gram. Okay, that is equal to what, 14 gram. I am saying that 1 mole of oxygen, so how much mass? The oxygen have the what, 16 gram atomic mass. Okay, so 1 mole of atoms of element, of any element, if we are taking for example of any elements, so 1 mole of atoms of an element equal to gram atomic mass of that element. Suppose that if we are taking the 1 mole of atoms of carbon, so gram atomic mass of carbon how much, 12 gram ना, nitrogen 14 gram, oxygen 16 gram ना, sulfur 32 gram, calcium 40 gram, sodium 23 gram. So that equal to what, gram atomic mass. For example, the atomic mass of oxygen, gram atomic mass of oxygen atom, that is equal to what, 16 unit, 16 unit or unified mass. So if we are taking this in a gram atomic mass of oxygen, that will be equal to what? So the 1 mole of oxygen atoms equal to gram atomic mass of oxygen, and gram atomic mass that is in what, grams. Means simply this 16 unit equal to 16 gram, means this U or unit unified mass is removed by the ग्राम, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड द ग्राम एटॉमिक मास. आपको कुछ नहीं करना, जो यूनिट मास दिया हुआ यूनिफाइड मास है उसको आप ग्राम मास में लिख लोगे तो वो 1 मोल का मास हो जाएगा. सपोज एक हाइड्रोजन का मास 1 यूनिट है, तो 1 मोल ऑफ हाइड्रोजन इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, 1 ग्राम, एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड व्हाट, ग्राम एटॉमिक मास. और इसी तरह से मोल्स ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स, तो 1 मोल ऑफ हाइड्रोजन दैट इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, the molecular mass, that equal to molecular mass, means that we given a gram that equal to 1 molecular mass. मोल्स है तो मॉलिक्यूल्स है तो उसका मॉलिक्यूलर मास हो गया, और एटम है तो वो ग्राम एटॉमिक मास हो गया. जस्ट यू रिमूव यूनिफाइड मास और यूनिट और यू बाय द ग्राम. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल मोल ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स, if we are talking about the 1 mole of molecules of a substance, of any substance has a mass equal to the gram molecular mass of the substance. Suppose that I am talking that mass of one water molecule. One water molecule means water. One water molecule. One water molecule means H2. This is the one. This is one molecule of water. And how much mass? That is 2 plus 16, that is equal to 18 unit. So it is water unified mass. And if this equal to water, this equal to molecular mass, or this is equal to 18 gram. So this 18 gram of mass is called water gram molecular mass. Suppose that if we are taking the example of 1 mole of oxygen molecules, means 1 molecule of oxygen, 1 mole of oxygen molecules, that equal to what, gram molecular mass, and that is equal to what, 32 gram. Okay, suppose that we are talking about the CO2. So what is the molecular mass of CO2? That is given in a gram equal to gram molecular mass. Okay, so mass of carbon plus mass of oxygen multiplied with 2. So mass of carbon, that is 12 unit, plus oxygen, mass of oxygen how much, 16 into 2. So that is equal to 12 plus 32. 4 and 44 unit. So that 44 unit equal to 44 gram. Means this 1 mole of this carbon dioxide, it has mass how much? 44 unit. If we are taking the mass in a gram molecular mass, so that is 44 gram. That is equal to 44 gram. So by pausing the video, write down this all things in your notebook. Then we are discussing some other thing, important thing about water, this mole concept, and we are going to solve some important numerical based on this mole concept. Okay, so now write down, then we go ahead further. Now next to this, this mole concept represents two important things. Means it gives an idea about water. So a mole represents the two things. First one, a mole represents a definite amount of the substance. It represents the amount of substance equal to its gram atomic mass or gram molecular mass. Means what? A mole represents a definite amount of substance. Means mole identify or classify a fixed amount of substance, a fixed or definite amount of substance, and that substance is equal to water. That substance is equal to its atomic gram atomic mass, or maybe equal to molecular mass. Okay, it's molecules, then it's equal to molecular mass, or atoms, then it is equal to its gram atomic mass. Suppose that atom of hydrogen, so it equal to its gram atomic mass, and molecule of hydrogen, it means what? Equal to the molecular mass of what? Hydrogen in a gram. Second thing, it is a mole. A mole represents a definite number of atoms. It gives idea. It gives idea about the fixed or definite or classified number of atoms, molecules, or ions of a substance. It represents, and that is represented by what? This fixed number, or equal to the 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms or molecules or ions of a substance. So we can say that 1 mole of atoms, if 1 mole of atoms of anything, any substance, that equal to what? Gram atomic mass. And 1 mole of atoms means how many numbers of atoms? If we are saying that 1 mole of hydrogen atoms, तो उस 1 मोल हाइड्रोजन एटम्स में कितने हाइड्रोजन एटम्स हैं? दैट इज इक्वल टू वाट? एवोगाड्रो नंबर. मींस इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द 1 मोल ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम, तो उस हाइड्रोजन एटम के अंदर ऑलरेडी अंडरस्टूड है कितने नंबर होंगे, उसके अंदर कितने एटम्स होंगे, इस नंबर के इक्वल उसमें हाइड्रोजन एटम्स होंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल सपोज आई एम राइटिंग 1 मोल ऑफ hydrogen atom. 1 mole of hydrogen atom means how many numbers of atoms? That is equal to 0.22 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of hydrogen. If I am saying that 1 mole of any compound, for example 1 mole of H2O, 1 mole of H2O means 1 mole of water, that is equal to how many numbers of water? So that is equal to water. The number of molecules in 1 mole of hydrogen is that is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of H2O. This gives the idea about what? Fixed number. Means 1 mole of hydrogen water, that is equal to this number of molecules. If we are saying that 1 mole of hydrogen atom, oxygen atom, means the number of atoms is what? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So here we have the two important formula for the calculation for solving the problem based on this mole concept. That is first one, number of moles. So number of moles, you can find it the given mass divided by atomic mass or total mass, or you can say the molar mass. Okay, and second one, number of atoms, molecules, ions or particles, that is equal to what? Number of moles into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. And number of moles, it may be, we can write it like in this, given mass divided by molar mass or molecular mass into 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. So by using this both formula, this formula, we can calculate or we can solve out the problem of based on this molar concept. This may be in the form of total mass, means ग्राम atomic mass भी हो सकता है आपका और molecular mass भी हो सकता है. If we are talking about the atoms, then it is a gram atomic mass, or if we are talking about the molecules, then it's a what? That is a gram molecular mass. Okay. So now we are solving a problem. We are taking one textbook questions and we try for solving the textbook questions. So that is better for you to understood this concept. Okay, हम textbook के एक दो exercise numerical questions solve करते हैं, उसके बेस पर आपको इस formula से पहले आप समझ पाओगे. Okay, so now let's be discussing some numerical problem. Now you can see that here I wrote the two questions. The first one, what is the mass of 4 moles of aluminium atoms? What is the mass of 4 moles of aluminium atom? And we know that the atomic mass of aluminium is equal to 27 units. Okay, so so atomic mass of aluminium, atomic mass of aluminium, that is equal to 27 units. If so what is the mass of aluminium in a mass atomic gram? So that is equal to what? 27 gram. Okay, that is the mass of 1 mole of aluminium, that is equal to what? Gram molecular mass or gram atomic mass. So gram atomic mass means what? 27 gram. Now this is the mass of 1 mole, and how many numbers of moles given here? 4 moles. So therefore mass of 4 moles of aluminium atom is what? 4 into 27 gram, and that is equal to what? Multiply this one. By multiplying we are getting the answer. So the mass of 4 moles of aluminium atom is how much? 108 gram. 108 gram. So this is it. Okay, because this the one mass of 1 mole is equal to what? 27 gram, and 4 moles, so multiply with the 4 moles. Now next, calculate the number of atoms in this mole of 0.2 moles of mole of sodium. Number of atoms. Now we know that the number of atoms equal to what? Suppose that 1 mole of sodium atom. If in a 1 mole of sodium atom, how many numbers of atoms of sodium? That is equal to water. Again, fixed. That is equal to Avogadro number, and that is water. 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Okay. So how many moles here? Here we have a 0.2 moles. So now moles of Na. Yeah, you can say that the number of moles, number of atoms in. Number of atoms in a 0.2 mole of Na, that is equal to water. 6.022 into 10 is for 23 multiply 0.2 means if you multiply this one, this is equal to water. This is 12.0, just double of it. 6 का double 0 and 4 into 10 to the power 20. Point it means water. Multiply जो है एक डिजिट यहाँ पे कम हो जाएगा, that is equal to 20. So this is your answer. Means 0.2 मोल में जो सोडियम के एटम कितने होंगे? 12.044 into 10 to the power 22 atoms. Okay, so these are the number of atoms. Okay, so और एक दो एग्जांपल्स लेते हैं, उससे और भी क्लियर हो जाएगा. So now and I have more questions to find out the mass. What is the mass of 10 moles of sodium sulfate? 10 moles of sodium sulfate. And what is the formula, chemical formula for sodium sulfate? That is water, Na2SO3. So now let's restart. Mass of 1 mole of sodium sulfate equal to molecular mass of that equal to molecular mass of sodium sulfide in a gram. Okay, that is equal, means the mass of 1 mole of sodium sulfide is equal to molecular mass of sodium sulfide in a gram. Okay, so now the molecular mass of sodium sulfide in a gram, how we can calculate? We can calculate total mass or whole mass of this sodium sulfide. Means here we have the molecular mass of the sodium, sulfur and oxygen. If we added this all, we can find the total molecular mass of sodium sulfide. So now molecular mass of Na plus mass of molecule, we can say the molecular mass. Okay, molecular mass of sulfur plus mass of oxygen. Okay, so mass of this nitrogen, this sodium multiply with 2. So mass of sodium is how much? Mass of sodium is what? 23. So 23 into what? How many numbers of sodium atom here? 2. So multiply with 2. Then plus Mass of sulfur is water 32 plus mass of oxygen, and how many numbers of atoms of oxygen? 3, and mass of one atom of oxygen equal to water 16. So 16 into 3. So now this all 6 and 46 plus 32 and plus water 16 is a 80. Now total add कर लो आप इसको, then 46 32 and 48 is 10 16 carry 1 4 and 4 and 12. So total how much? 126 gram. It is water. The mass of 1 mole. Mass of 1 mole of Na2SO3. Okay, that is equal to 126 gram. And how many numbers of moles? 10. So that will multiply 10 into 126 gram. So that is equal to water 1260 gram. Okay. Do you understand? क्योंकि एक हमने यहाँ पे फर्स्ट क्या किया, फर्स्ट वी कैलकुलेट द मास ऑफ 1 मोल ऑफ सोडियम सल्फेट, ओके सल्फाइड, सॉरी सोडियम सल्फाइड. सो दैट इज इक्वल टू मॉलिक्यूलर मास ऑफ सोडियम सल्फाइड इन अ ग्राम. फर्स्ट वी कैलकुलेट this one and that is equal to 1 mole. Then we multiply how many numbers of moles? 10 moles. So we multiply with the 10 mole. Okay, note down. Now here we want to convert into the moles. Means that this mass is given and you have to convert into water moles. So as we know that the number of moles is equal to what? Given mass divided by molecular mass. Okay, so by applying this formula we can calculate it. So first we solve this one. 12 gram of oxygen gas. So we found a number of moles of oxygen. So now given mass equal to water 12 gram, and the molecular mass of oxygen is water 32. Now molecular mass of oxygen, that is 16 into 32 gram. Okay, mass of molecular mass, so that is equal to water 32 gram. Now by calculating this one, तो आप कैलकुलेट करोगे तो that is equal to water 4 into 4 3 जा 12 and 4 8 जा 32, 3 by 8. So it may be equal to water is equal to 0.375 moles. Okay, आप इसको कैलकुलेट करोगे तो that is equal to water is how many numbers of moles? 0.375. सेम ऐसे आप सेकंड को भी कैलकुलेट करते हो. 1 mole of H2O is equal to molecular mass of H2O in a gram. Okay, so molecular mass of water is water 1 into 2 plus oxygen is 16, so that is 18 gram. Okay, 18 gram. So now again apply this formula. Again we apply this formula, given mass divided by molecular mass. So given mass is what? 20 gram. So 20 gram divided by this 18 gram. So it became water. इसको आप डिवाइड कर लो. It's a 10. It's a 9. So 9. So 1. So it's equal to 1.11 moles. Okay. So number of moles equal to what? 1.11 moles. So in the same way you can calculate for this also. First you calculate the molecular mass of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide molecule consists of carbon, oxygen, carbon plus 2 of oxygen. So carbon का mass कितना है? That is 12 gram plus oxygen 16 into 32 gram. So that is equal to what? 44 gram. Okay. Now then amount of given mass 22. So given mass divided by molecular mass 44. So that is equal to 1 upon 2 and that is equal to 0.5 mole. Okay, how many number of mole? 1 upon 2, yeah, you can say 0.5 mole. Okay, so in this way you can calculate this textbook problem based on this mole concept. Okay, thank you, have a nice day, and if you have any problem regarding this numerical problem you can ask me. Thank you once again.